Welcome back to Bro on the Go. We're at Target. We have been waiting for months for them to get the Ryan green sleepover egg. And we finally got it. Brody's super excited.
Mama.
What?
Hi, guys.
All right. Do you want to look at some more toys before we go?
Yeah.
Brody, remember they were playing this on Trinity and Beyond at the toy fair? Remember she was stacking the ice cream scoops? That actually looks fun. Come on, baby. Wait, where is the Ryan toy aisle?
Oh, I found a white egg.
You found the white eggs? Oh, and there's one right here.
Yay! Yay, I found the Ryan little aisle.
Pick that up before someone else grabs it. I think you got the last one, Brody. They never have, like, anything Ryan. It's always all sold out.
This is a
I know. Brody actually found that egg in a hidden spot. I think someone hid it.
Because I wanted it.
But we got it.
Mama, bye.
All right, we'll see you when we open the egg.
Okay, bye.
So Brody has a surprise. He's gonna get something else too. The cutest little guy. It's a little bear cub. Cozy Dozy's little live pets. It has a binky. It's super cute. All right. All right. Brody's got his stuff. Ready, baby?
Yes.
Let's go to the car.
I don't want to say now.
Where do you want to go next?
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Because I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes. We'll get some Mickey D's and then go home and open your new toys.
Hi, Walmart. You Walmart. I love that. Hey guys, I'm opening my bear. I named him Barry.
Oh, such a cute name. Oh, he's coming out. He's so adorable. Wait until you guys see him.
See him out.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look how adorable. Hold him up for them to see, Brody. So this is him. He's the cutest little guy ever.
Guys, look what I can do with him. Look at his blanket. His blanket can come out, I think. Maybe. Wait. See?
Oh, it comes like off. He can come out of the blanket?
I think.
Oh my gosh. The cutest. And this is his blankie with stars.
Because he's just...
Oh. So this is his little bed. Look how cute, and his little cradle. So these are called Little Live Cozy Dozy's. Over 25 sounds and reactions. He has a binky, and his name on the box says Cubbles the bear, but Brody named him Barry, right, bro?
Yeah. I was calling Cuddles the bear.
Look at his binky in his mouth.
Cuddles the berry.
That's so adorable. And here's his blankie, and there's Velcro, so you can put it around him like a real baby. Here you go. Here's your baby. So cute.
Next, on our video, we will do an egg.
Yes. So we will see you guys
When we
after McDonald's when we get home to open the green sleepover Ryan egg. Right, bro?
recorded.